Hello, and welcome to the My Old Car video log, where I document how I maintain, repair, and occasionally make upgrades to my 1974 Chevrolet Monte Carlo that's been my daily driver since 1984. With dedication and tenacity, you too can make your first car your forever car and drive it forever. Before I get started, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. Now, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. Now, back in the day when you would want to get some replacement blades for your windshield wipers, you simply go to the store, parts store, and get just the blades. Well, it hasn't been that way for a number of years now. So what parts stores sell are these sorts of things. They call them exact fit. And yeah, I mean, they kind of fit, but I mean, the finish is wrong, and the wipers themselves are kind of thin, and there's just, and not to mention the connector. You know, I mean, there's some sort of like complex, whatever, however this works, and you have to pop. These were a real pain to take off, unlike the originals, where you just push that, and they pop right off. Put it back on, clips on. Cannot get much simpler than this. So when it comes to getting blades, the new old stock, the genuine new old stock stuff, as well as, let's say, the reproduction stuff that you can get from some of the restoration companies, of course they'll work, but they're just way too expensive for my daily driver. So what I've come up with is using these universal silicone frameless windshield blades, wiper blades, and they come like this, and all you do is pull them apart, and then the size that I got is 10.6 millimeters tall by 6 millimeters wide. And when you look at some of the originals, wait, I might have, yeah, let's see here. I mean, you look at one of the old original ones, you can see it's pretty close. In fact, compared to this, you can kind of see, you know, they look like it's the right height. And then, so the way I do this, and the only drawback is you are going to have to put some effort into actually doing this. So the way I do this is, well, actually the better way to do this is to pull the old blade out of the frame. Now this part isn't actually all that hard, because you literally just take this out of the frame. Now you're going to be reusing this frame, so don't manhandle it. Oh, this is odd. There we are. Looks like this may have been actually glued in. I hadn't seen this before. Well, easy enough to clean off. Alrighty. Now I take a replacement and then the original. Here you can see it a little bit better, how close they are in terms of size and shape. There we go. Yeah, here we can see this. You'll see it a little bit better. Anyway, so what I do is I take the old one, lay it down next to the new one, and I get some hose cutters. note where it's the right length, and then using the hose cutters, make a nice clean cut. Next comes the tedious part of getting this back into here. And did I mention that this was the tedious part? I haven't found the perfect way on how to do this. I just know that I gotta get it done. There we go. That actually went a lot easier than I expected. We'll put the little clippy back in. And it's now ready to be installed on the frame. Oh yeah, this has the clippy on it. Yeah, I've always found the frame part with the clippies is challenging. There we go. That's the old, this is the refurbished one. Something's causing us to hang up. There we go. Clippy. There. Alrighty, we are ready to rock and roll. It's time to put this back on. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, please be sure to click the like button. Now if you'll excuse me, I think it's time for a drive.